Hello, English learners. Today we will learn about the idiom, lose your cool. Understanding this phrase will greatly improve your communication in English. Imagine a friend, Sarah, was very excited about her new ice cream. She put it on the table and went to answer the door. When she came back, her little brother had eaten it all. Sarah exclaimed, "Oh no, I'm going to lose my cool." Her brother looked worried, thinking she meant her body temperature would drop. He quickly offered her a blanket. Lose your cool does not mean to become cold. It means to become angry or upset. It describes when someone loses their temper and shows strong emotions like anger or frustration. The origin of this idiom comes from the idea that cool means calm and composed. So, to lose your cool is to lose that calmness. Now, let's see how it's used correctly. Imagine a busy office. A colleague, Mark, is working on an important project. Suddenly, his computer crashes and he loses all his work. Mark takes a deep breath and says, "I almost lost my cool there." This shows he merely became angry but managed to stay calm. Here are some example sentences. First, the customer service agent lost her cool when the customer started yelling. Second, even though he was provoked, he managed not to lose his cool. Third, it's important to stay calm and not lose your cool during an argument. To remember, lose your cool, think of a calm, cool cucumber. When you lose your cool, you are no longer like that calm cucumber. This idiom has been used for a long time. It became popular in the early 20th century. You might hear it in movies or songs when characters are under pressure. Let's look at related sayings. Similar idioms include blow your top, hit the roof, and fly off the handle. These all mean to become very angry suddenly. Opposite idioms are keep your cool, stay calm, and remain composed. These phrases mean to stay peaceful even in difficult situations. Related idioms include keep a cool head, meaning to stay rational, and cool as a cucumber, meaning very calm. A common mistake is to use lose your cool when you mean to lose something literally, like a cold drink. Remember, it always refers to losing emotional control, not a physical item or temperature. Always use it when talking about emotions, especially anger or frustration. Now, for a quick quiz. What does lose your cool mean? Is it A, to become cold, B, to lose an ice cube, or C, to become angry or upset? The correct answer is C, to become angry or upset. Today, we learned that lose your cool means to become angry or upset, not literally cold. We saw examples and learned how to avoid common mistakes. Now it's your turn. Share in the comments a time you almost lost your cool. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and follow. See you next time.